Good morning, boys and girls, or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. So today is our second lesson on perimeter. I want to remind you that perimeter is the distance around the outside of a figure. And the way that we calculate the perimeter is we add all the sides together. Okay, so it's fairly simple, just this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. And that'll give us a number, and that is our perimeter. So today we're going to look at problems where we are missing one of the sides, where we don't know how long that side is, but we are given the perimeter. And with this information, we can figure out how long the side is with a question mark. So let me show you how to do it. So what do we know looking at this problem? We know that if this side is 8 centimeters, then this side is 8 centimeters. And if we don't know what this side is, then we don't know what that side is. So now let me start doing the process for figuring out the perimeter, and that's adding the sides together. I can add two of the sides. I can add 8 plus 8. So 8 plus 8 equals 16. So now I know that if I add 16, that's these two sides, plus these two sides, which we'll use as a question mark, that is going to equal 34. Okay? Now, how do you figure out what you're going to add to 16 to equal 34? You can do mental math. You can also do subtraction. So I can take 34 and I can subtract 16 from it. So 4 minus, so that becomes a 2, that becomes a 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's 18. So I know that this question mark is 18. Now this question mark represents two sides. So what two numbers do you add together to equal 18? That's right, 9. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. So this missing side is 9 centimeters. Okay? So let's try another example. So here we have a rectangle. The perimeter is 38 centimeters. So this side plus this side plus this side plus this side equals 38. Now, what do we already know? We know that this is 12 centimeters. Opposite sides are equal in all rectangles. And we know that we don't know what that equals. But these two sides are the same. So 12 plus 12 equals 24. So 24 plus something equals 38. Now, on this problem, I showed you how to do it using subtraction. Another way you can do it is using a number line. So if we have a number line, we're going to start here at 24, and we want to end up here at 38. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. I'll try it one way on this one and a different way on that problem. But I always like, as you know, to go to friendly numbers. For example, a 10. So 24 plus 6 would take me to 30. Okay, and then I can jump from 30 to 38, and that's a jump of 8. Now I just put those two numbers together. So 6 plus 8 equals 14. Now, what two numbers do you add together to equal 14? Yes, that's right, 7. So this side is 7 centimeters, as is this side, because they're equal. Okay, last problem that I'm going to model for you. We have another rectangle, and if we add this side, plus this side, plus this side, plus this side, it will equal 64 centimeters. Now, what do we know? We know that this side is also 24 centimeters, and we don't know what this side is. So, the first thing I'm going to do is add these two sides. So, 24 plus 24 equals 48. Okay? So, 48 plus 48 plus something equals 64. Now, I'm going to use a number line on this one as well, but this time, ow,